Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group of mini project automation will be presenting about our smart escalator. Okay. We from 3 person of a group. Muhammad Firdaus Kamal bin Abdul Razak.
Syabir bin Nasni.
Akif Haspa bin Zulakil.
Okay. Today we are presenting our smart escalator. Okay. For the first slide, I'm going to show about the flowchart of our smart escalator. First, the people will step onto our escalator, and the first sensor will trigger, but it will not operate
Yes.
yet. Yes. Then, if the second the motor will start after the sensor 1 is triggered. Then the LED will light up as the motor starts. This is to indicate that the motor or the elevator escalator is running. Okay. Then the second sensor will trigger. As the second sensor will trigger, the motor and LED will turn off. Okay. As you can see in our flowchart, there is a button stop which is pushed. This is to indicate that we are having a stop or an emergency button, which if there is an incident or fatal incident that occurs with our smart escalator. Okay. Next, our slide is about our component selection that is used in our smart escalator. There is PB start and PB stop, which is the main component for our smart escalator. The sensor is the main component because it shows us that the motor will start if there is sensor is triggered. And for the lamp 1 and lamp 2, it is used to indicate the motor or the smart escalator is moving, and the conveyor or coil 1, coil 2, coil 3 is to hold the circuits which keeps the escalator moving. Okay. For the next is that will be presented by Johan Shabir.
Okay, next I will present about schematic diagram and numeric codes. As you can see, at the first round, there is a holding circuit for the start button. Start button, as we know, the function is for the operation escalator, smart escalator, but the motor conveyor is not start yet. And for the second round, we can see the coil and the first sensor and second sensor. First sensor is for the people step in at the escalator, and the second sensor is for the people step out the escalator. And the last round, we can see the end button for the emergency case. As we know, if we push the end button, the whole process will stop. And the next slide is the numeric codes for the PB start and PB stop and PB end address. There is 0000, 001 and 004. And the first sensor and second sensor 002 and 003. The first lamp, second lamp and third lamp, and there's 1001, 1002 and 1004, and for the conveyor 103, and there is 3 coil for the holding circuit is 1001, 1002 and 1004. Okay, now we move to the simulation video.
First, we running this program. First, when the PB start, we turn on the PB start. As you can see, the lamp 1 is running. This shows that the escalator is moving. The operating system is turning on, but the escalator is not running yet, which is a conveyor. So as you can see, if we turn off the PB start, it's a holding circuit. Okay, as you can see, the coil 1 we connected to the rung 2 because we provide the current and voltage. So as you can see, when sensor 1 is triggered, the lamp 2 and the conveyor is running. The system is running. So as you can see, when we turn off the sensor 1, it's a holding circuit because, as you know, there's a people still on the escalator. So until the sensor 2 is triggered, the elevator will stop moving. So when we turn on back, alright, as you can see, we turn off the sensor 2. We provide one button if the emergency is happen, which is the PBN. So as you can see, when PBN is turning on, the system will automatically turn off. So to avoid any fatal incident happen in the escalator. So that's all from us. Thank you.